Happy day 87 of day trading the market open with a small account. Good morning. Day trading the stock market open with a small account. Let's be precise here today. All right, yesterday was a rush day, which is unfortunate because the person that was supposed to come work on my house didn't even come for another 15 minutes, so I could have got my normal trading window in. But that's all right. I'm going to have the same type of issue tomorrow, so let's hope I execute a little bit better. EVGN, I'm going to look for a panic flush here at the open in a minute. Gels is already getting smoked. Same with MRIN. Damn, all these suck. Stocks look weak today. Weak. EVGN is probably going to be my best bet. Best bet problem is this 200-day moving average. Let's see, lower band here, 82, 7% for WINT. Kinda garbage. See, over 240 could make some moves here on MEGL. I don't really want to play a backside trade like that. I'd rather be in and out instead of being in a trade for a long time to see how it plays out. All right, game time, 2 seconds, 1 second. Boom. All right, EVGL, keep that coming. Keep that same energy. Drop that all on the floor. Yep, come on down. Need you down here at 188. Excuse me. Coming from Mexico back to not saltwater type atmospheres, like my allergies are struggling. All right, WINT, I like that. That's a pretty decent candle. Pretty decent first candle. Let's see if you can hold it, though. You ain't fooling anybody. All right, candle turning into a hammer there. EVGL 210 would be a 1 minute to make a new high right now. Is it going to go to 220? Let's see if it breaks 220. Where do we go? This is the exact same trade that I said I didn't want to take on the other stock, but that was a hammer there, or an inverse hammer rather. Let's see if we get through 220 here. There's 220. 220 getting eaten. 221. Nice. I don't think I'm going to take it still, though. I was going to say I could, because 240 is really not that far away based on these candles. So, should have taken the 1 minute to make a new high, but now I feel kind of like I botched it, because I was back at 210. So, what now? Okay, here it goes. That's super unfortunate. I will not lie. I feel like I missed the trade here and I missed the boat here. That 1 minute to make a new high was 208 and it's at 240. It got to 240, which we had just talked about, and I talked myself out of the trade. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, $300. That stings. I will say, there is no, of course, we all know there is no woulda, shoulda, coulda in day trading, but that stings having that missed opportunity in a small account. That's a 15% move. Yes. Okay, so let's focus here. What are we going to do? We can take a VWAP rejection back to EMA at 220. That provides, this gets fishy around this area here. Look at all that chop right there. It's going to get fishy there. There's tape speeding up. All right, so let's look for a rejection off of 215. Let's look for like a panic flush back to EMA, like 220. It'll probably be around 230 at that point, I imagine. Decisions. Let's change our scanner real quick. All right, we got WINT trying to lower band here. Bands make good dance. Bands make good dance. Don't get too nutty on me, WINT over here. Oh, back to EMA for EVGN. Back to 200-day moving average for EVGN. I don't really want to be in two trades at the same time, but we got to do what we got to do if this thing comes on down. I'm in WINT right now, and I'm waiting for EVGN to see if it's going to flush out. We're getting no bounce here, so I'm going to jump out of WINT for small L. Let's see if EVGN comes down. Bands and make good dance. Okay, it's trying to hammer again here. Inverse hammer again, rather. Nope. Riskier trades here. Taking 1 minute to make a new high back, when it's under VWAP. So not ideal. Flush it down to 180 though. After the first three candles, I'm going to anticipate at least a decent bounce if that happens. 208, 209, 208, 207, break 2, 205, break 2, break down 2. It's nice to have all my hotkeys working correctly. 204, break down 2. Small buyer at 203, back to 207. All right, I didn't end up changing any of my, did I not? Yeah, I didn't change any of my scans. Let's change the scans. DPRO. Oh, interesting. Bands and make good dance. Bands and make good dance. Okay. Fallout here, EVGN, testing 2, 203. Nope, back to 205. I mean, I guess we could play that garbage area WINT around 77 cents, that daily level. What's the daily candles look like on WINT? I'm assuming garbage. I assumed correctly. How about EVGN? EVGN, this candle would have been better. It didn't hold its 200-day moving average, of course. I think we already saw. Did we already see that? No, it's right here. We're flirting with it. Flirting. Let's see what MAGL did. If it did anything. Nope. Okay. Let's go, EVGN. I'm seeing you. Back to 2. Here comes a flush. Flush it. Flush it. Pressure on 2. Small buyers at 2. Actually, I mean, those aren't tiny buyers. See if those buyers get eaten. 709, 708. Looks like patience probably would have been the way to go for this penny stock over here on WINT. That's all right. I have faith in this EVGN flush. It's looking ripe for a flush. Looks like we got some hidden buyers here at 2. Nope. Those hidden buyers are gone. Okay, hidden buyers are back. Gone again. They're gone. Here it comes. Here it comes. Boom, baby. More, 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 more. Ah, more, 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 more. Looking at like 180. More. Come on. 191. Read that candle beautifully, though, I will say. Kudos to myself. Clap. Taps on the back. 87. 86. 85. Ah, didn't get close enough. Got 30 seconds for this candle to still get nutty. You know, don't want to like toot my own horn or anything, but know what I'm saying. 88. 88. You got it. Come down. 8 cents. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Oh, we don't want this to bleed down here. It's gonna bleed down here, isn't it? It's gonna make it. It's gonna make the bounce like non-existent. Or do we try with the WINT again? Didn't pull the trigger on WINT. Thought it would come down a little more considering it didn't exactly respect the lower band last time. It's alright. Green candle will be alright there for EVGN. Give us a little more time. Alright, it's getting no bounce, no love on WINT. So if I get in now, why would that change? It probably wouldn't, right? I don't know where this drawing even came from. Or these different day. Alright, guess we can't do that right now. Bands make a dance. Alright, so the lower band is back in play here for EVGN. If this would have just kept bleeding out, I would have been hesitant to take it. But now that we got to pop back to EMA, we can retest this idea here. Do we have anything on front side other than this DRPO low volume? Whippy, whippy, whippy. MEGL, interesting candle here. Interesting candle here, MEGL. $215, it really needs to break that 238 though. 238, 240. And then we got space after here. We got some space after 240. Maybe that's the way. These candles are, these are strong candles here. What's this percentage? 14%. That's nice. That's nice. Volume's still picking up. Look at that. Bears are trying to fight it. Bears are trying to fight it. New minute. Oh, halt up's 245. 247 now. Interesting. Interesting. Don't really want to be in a halt up under VWAP there. Guess I could take this EMA trade. See if 2 holds. I would still prefer the EVGN flush. Because if I'm sitting here at 2, that's 208, but if I'm sitting here at 2 around this blue area, I have all this space down here that I'm essentially risking if it does get crazy. And I don't want that. That would be if I get caught in a nasty little down spiral flush. Essentially what I'm looking for in EVGN. I don't want to get caught in the middle of it over here. If you know what I'm saying. Alright, EVGN over 2. And now it's back under 2. Right on. Lower band at 174. Oh, daily. Oh, we're at like a daily inflection point too. Right at $2. WINT, are you still bleeding? Yep. Sure are. When stocks have no life. Stock market's a brutal place. Got a nice triangle here though. Alright, is this gonna get extended? Let's see if it gets extended. Red still coming in. Red still coming in. 73. There's 74. Look at all that red. Dang. Brutal. Saw green at 73, but since it was already under lower band, I didn't think too much of it. Looks like that would have been a decent trade at this point. Might have to take it over 82 here. Did the bears get out? Did they cause enough pain? Did they make enough money? No, they have not. No, they have not. EVGN testing that 200-day moving average. Do I really want to try to ride this up to like 90 though? These penny stocks just take too long. Be over 82. I guess we could try it. Why not, right? What are you scared, Mav? What are you scared? EVGL, nothing. What was this 220 area? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. EVGL having problems with this 200-day moving average. Okay, come on down. That rejection could be nice. You got 40 seconds to just fall out. Don't hold too. Buyers, get out of the way. Let this thing drop. Come on now. What do these pre-market candles even look like? First few are nice. The rest was garbage. Garbage. Gels. Gels testing VWAP. Thing looks a little whippy. What's the spread on gels? Oh, 1 cent spread. Interesting. Alright, WINT. You're going to crack 82. You're going to break this downward. 180. No, not 182. I just mean 82. Here, 81. We'd have to let it cook, though. If we get in at 82, we'd have to let at least $20 cook, which, you know, whatever, $20, $20. I see you, EVGN. I see you. I see you flirting with 2 again. Man, slim pickings today. It's always a bad day when your best attempt at trading is these lower bands. Okay. WINT, let's see if we speed up here near 180 or near 82. It's just so easy to get caught in a fake or a chop out down here. All right. Let's see what happens. Max loss is going to be under EMA, under 80. Ah, tried to take half. How much Ched do I have left? I could really play this kind of entire range if I wanted to, but do I want to? Not really. Gotta get this zoom in. I feel like zero emotional effects when I play penny stocks, which I guess is good, maybe. They just take so long, so I don't need to make quick decisions, I feel like. Alright, don't flush EVGN. It wouldn't be chill. I've gotten a lot of comments saying that people watch my videos because of my chill commentary, and I didn't realize that, so I appreciate the feedback. Just a chill guy trying to slang some stocks, I guess. Oh, here we go. Give me half now. Hey, let's go. About time you actually broke out of that little wedge. About time. Take another half. Try at least. Come on, my order's there at 85 with the rest of the orders. Let's go. Make AT Slater a priority, NASDAQ. I don't even know if this is NASDAQ stock, actually. Already got one rolled up in my left hand. Alright, so... Alright, another half gone. There we go. Now you're making moves. Where are you going to go, though? Got issue at 90. I don't think we want to... Do I really want to hold it? I'm going to get rid of it under 85. If it gets under 85. If I see 84 in that bid, I'm hitting this exit button. And I'll probably jump ship around 90 also. There's 85. 85 on the bid. 86 on the bid. Back to 85. I don't want this to hammer on me. That's kind of why I set that at 85. And it's already looking like a hammer. We got 10 seconds until a new minute. 86. All right. Candle trying to make it look a little more decent. 3, 2, 1. New minute. 85, 86. Ooh, I thought that 85 was going to flush under. 85, 86, 86, 85. Let's go. Let's get out. Thank you. Oh, bummer. Missed it at 87. Oh, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's all right. That's okay. Yep. I didn't see 84 on the bid, but there was looking like there was pressure at 85. Oh, baby. Good sell. Good sell. See? It can change on a dime like that. So I took the breakout of this kind of wedge formation we have here. So we had resistance that I mapped out with this red line. And I mean, my entry was here. So in addition to playing the breakout of this wedge, I also played the 1 minute to make a new high off of this strongest candle here. So that was 82, right? Marked that at 82, took it at 82 because I didn't want to get stuck in like, you see how it pinged off of this 82 here? Pinged off of this 82 and rejected. I didn't want to get in right at the break of this wedge and then get, chopped out, flushed out. So I really kind of wanted to ride a stronger wave. So that's why I picked the 1 minute to make a new high after kind of the break of that downward wedge there. So got in, sold half on this pop, sold another half here, and then got out here. So that was a good trade because I think we were down like $7 off the first trade off this panic flush that didn't quickly resolve. So yeah, it was like a $31 trade or something like that. So I don't know. But that's, I think I'm going to get out of here because there's not really anything going on and we're just kind of flirting with fire down here with all these stocks under VWAP. So this is not my preferred strategy. This is not my preferred type of entry. But as you can see, you kind of have to just go with the flow once in a while and, make adjustments. So I'm out of here. Spread love. Be good to each other. Drop a comment. Let me know how you guys did. Hopefully you guys did better than me, of course, because I'm always rooting for you. Peace.